Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Companion TV. I'm Jenna Edwards, and this is a recipe demo of beef taco meat from America's Test Kitchen. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. This is one of those staple recipes that you'd want to keep in the freezer regularly. It's so easy to use taco meat in a number of ways, and this one is fresh and fragrant. We start with mincing 1 yellow onion and 3 garlic cloves. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, then add the minced onion and cook until the onion is softened, about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir around all the onion pieces so they get coated in the oil. And in the meantime, let's measure out our spices. We need 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and half a teaspoon of salt. By now the onions should be soft, so we'll add the minced garlic along with all the spices and the salt and cook until it's fragrant, about 30 seconds. Now have your ground beef ready, because now we're going to stir in that 1 pound of ground beef and cook, breaking it up with a spatula or wooden spoon until it's no longer pink, about 5 minutes. Now is a good time to gather the next round of ingredients, which we'll add straight to the pan. We need half a cup of tomato sauce, or if you don't have that around, you can substitute a 1/4 cup of tomato paste with a 1/4 cup of water. Then half a cup of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar. Now stir well and keep breaking up that meat and simmer all this together until it's thickened, about 10 minutes. You'll only need to stir it once or twice during this time. Just let the heat do its thing. One thing you'll notice is that towards the end, it'll look like there's still juice in the pan. But when you run the spatula or spoon through it, the liquid won't pool into the empty space. That's how you know you've got a cohesive filling without it being runny. Also, as it cools, it will continue to thicken, so this is really where we want to stop the cooking. And now it's ready to serve however you'd like. Today I'm serving mine on lime salted tortilla chips with a Mexican cheese blend and a couple dollops of sour cream. Once you get comfortable with the recipe, it can take just 30 minutes from start to finish, so enjoy this recipe of beef taco meat. Get the ingredient list below or at cookingcompaniontv.com/taco meat. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards, and thanks for watching.